So in this video we start our next definition, that is definition of angle of contact. Angle of contact is it is represented by a letter theta. We know that when liquid is in contact with solid, then liquid performs a meniscus. So when this is a glass tube, this glass tube is dipped into your first beaker containing water, second beaker containing kerosene, third beaker containing mercury. Then there is a meniscus is formed here. Meniscus means that the U type of shape of liquid is called as meniscus. So angle of contact is defined as angle of contact theta between a liquid and a solid surface. It is defined as the angle between the tangent drawn to free surface of liquid and surface of solid at the point of contact measured within the liquid. Here see, there are three diagrams drawn. First diagram contains a water and a capillary tube. When we insert this tube into water, water rises, and when we take a pure water and a pure glass, then angle of contact theta equal to 0. Here this is a tangent, and the surface of water is the plane surface. Now we see in second figure, this figure containing a kerosene with a glass. So there is a pair of kerosene and glass. When we dip a capillary tube in kerosene, then liquid rises. So that is position is known as meniscus. If we draw this tangent to that meniscus position when solid and liquid are in contact, then angle which is measured inside the liquid theta, this is known as angle of contact. The angle of contact for kerosene and glass is acute. Acute means which is less than 90 degree and which is equal to 26 degree for kerosene and glass. Now we consider third figure. Here in this third figure, there is the pure glass and mercury is kept. When we insert a capillary tube in mercury, then meniscus of that mercury surface is convex. So this shape is called as convex shape. So that shape is called as concave shape. And when we draw this tangent to the point of contact when solid and liquid is in contact, and the angle which is measured theta, so that angle of contact is obtuse here when we take mercury and a pure glass. So that is equal to 140 degree for mercury and pure glass. So when liquid is completely wet means when we take a water in a beaker and when water is thrown out, then some particles of the water are stick there to the beaker. So that is known as liquid which completely wets. For that there is a plane angle. If there is a partially wet solid surface, partially means wet means what? When we take a kerosene in a beaker, then kerosene is taken out, and when we your hand or your fingers are kept in that beaker, then there is a smell of kerosene comes to you, and some particles of kerosene which are stick to your hands or finger. So that means there is a partially wet. Then in this position, angle of contact is acute. So and the meniscus position is the concave here. Now for third figure, when liquid do not wet solid surface. Do not wet means what? When we take a beaker, we draw now mercury from that beaker, and when we kept your fingers into that beaker, there is a totally dry beaker. So that is known as when solid which do not weight the solid surface, when liquid which do not weight the solid surface. Here in this case, angle of contact is obtuse. Obtuse means which is greater than 90 degree. So for mercury and pure glass, here angle of contact theta equal to 140 degree. Now we see some characteristics of angle of contact. So we see first characteristics. Angle of contact is constant for a given solid liquid pair. Here we see here in these three figures, there is a pure water and pure glass. So angle of contact theta equal to 0 degree, that means it is a constant. When we take kerosene and pure glass, then angle of contact is acute. So that is also constant, theta equal to 26 degree. When we take pure glass and mercury, then angle of contact is obtuse, that is also constant, theta equal to 140 degree. That means when we take a solid liquid pair, the angle of contact is constant. That is the first property or first characteristic of angle of contact. Now we see second characteristic. It depends upon nature of liquid and solid in contact. So these are depending upon that nature of their liquids. Now we see third property or third characteristic. Angle of contact changes due to the impurity. Impurity means ashuddhata. When we take a pure water, then angle of contact is equal to 0 degree. Here in that pure water, in that beaker, if we insert some detergent like Surf Excel, Nirma, when we add this detergent or phenol, kerosene, any mixture or sodium chloride, salt or sugar, then this water is impure water. Then angle of contact changes for the impurity. So the third characteristic shows that the angle of contact which changes due to impurity. That means there is not a pure water, there is a mixture of water. So angle of contact changes. Now fourth characteristic, it depends upon medium which exists above the free surface of liquid. Here above the free surface of liquid, it depends upon the medium. And the last characteristic is the angle of contact changes with temperature. If we take here cold water, angle of contact is different. If we take hot water, angle of contact is different. Here in this figure also, if we hot material, any hot material which changes the surface tension or which changes the angle of contact. So these are the characteristics of angle of contact. Couple of times this question can be asked for 2 marks. What are the characteristics of angle of contact or define angle of contact?